Alright, so we're about to try some of these demolition crackers. Got these at Bada Boom. I've heard them before. They are pretty nice. A little bit. They're small. About to light it and we'll check it out for you guys. Demolition cracker. Cute. We'll do another one. We'll take the wrapper off. Let's just do this one for now like this. Zoom in. Let's move it a little bit. There we go. Right there. Oh, it's not bad either. Ah, it's going. All right, so this time we'll do another one. Take the wrapper off and we'll zoom out of it. Oh, maybe I won't take the wrapper off. The wrapper is actually holding them together. See that? They fall apart. All right, so I won't take the wrapper off. Let me just put that one to the side. All right, we'll get a little bit back on this one. You can see a little better. Alright, so we're about to try 4 of the powder demolition crackers at once. Okay, that was pretty cool. Alright.